This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly translate a document from French into English using Google Docs. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. Let's get started. This is text that I pasted in from a French website, but if one of your colleagues shared with you a French document, you could do it the same way. Open the document, go to Tools, and then go to Translate Document. And then this document is in French, so I want to change it to English. I'll select the language. Click Translate, and it will create a new copy of the document in English. And here is the English version of the document. And one of the advantages of doing it in Google Docs is, first of all, you can share it with other people if you need to. So for instance, I might share this back with my French colleague so she can take a look at it and see if it looks accurate from her point of view. We can do other things with it that you can't do if you're just using Google Translate or some other website. So I really like this feature of Google Docs to translate from French into English. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And thank you so much for watching.